Hey everybody, it's Profithigh73 and I'm going to go over number 6 on my stock analysis sheet, which is current or pending news, FDA status, contracts, earnings, and also in current or pending news, I'll look at the overall market in the industry that the stock is in. And right now we're going to take a look at ESNC. We're going to finish this off here. And my last video, my last stock analysis video, I did everything else. If you want to go take a look at how I did all that, feel free to take a look at the last video. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at and see what profile, what is this company all about? Industrial electrical equipment. All right, that's the industry. Let's go through here. And description, subsidiary, manufacturers, license, and sales. They sell energy management systems. I don't know how profitable that is, and it doesn't really matter to me. I'm not looking for PE ratios and doing all kinds of different evaluations. I've already gotten the float, so I'll go to summary, and this is where Yahoo Finance, if you type in the stock or ticker, it'll show its news. Hit all or no. 8 days, and that looked fresh. 10 hours ago, there was a insider purchase, and for 94 cents a share, over 1.3 million on September 27th, the 29th, the 28th. So there's insider buys, so they should have to report that. So we'll go to sec.gov and see if there's any company filings. As I read through here, it's possible purchase shares because the company has patented technology that is not easy to replicate. So you're going out. Sounds like a pump article here. I'm not sure how energy storage facilities as a major is considered a platform. It provides a roadmap for incorporation of features, functionality, third parties. Good, nice little pump article going into the weekend. And then on top of that, they just crossed close to $1. They pumped up to 90, just under $1. So this is looking like a nice little pump stock. I could be wrong. It could be the most amazing energy storage system company in the world. 0.6 convertibles. I'm going to have to look a little deeper into this. It's direct owners, sales, so preferred shares, aggregate 17 million. Interest in securities. Transactions in the past 60 days. He's made quite a few purchases all the way back August 1st. Let's see. Yep. Looks like there's a good amount of purchases. Let's see what the 7, 100, 150, 50, 50, 50. So 300. I just want to check the comparison. 98. So 9, 7, 8, 770,000 in volume. I just want to see, give me an idea of how interested people really are. One, that's 300, 350, and go with 400,000. And on the 8th, there was 700, so 3. So he accounted for half of the volume on that day. So if he's accounted for half of the volume, how busy is this really? And it looks like earlier in the week, somebody probably dropped a little bit of news. Look at the volume spikes there. And it held up and broke $1. It's also probably the $1 breakout people are getting excited about. Alright, so what I'll do a little bit further, if I see something like that, I'll go to Google and I'll type in the company name, and we can go to their website, see if there's any. It says he intends to appoint candidates. So it definitely seems like this stock's ready to roll. It seems like they have some Reuters is talking about on financial news, which, I mean, they can probably call a reporter and get something posted on Reuters. It's not a huge deal. BBNS, this is the shareholders, September 8th, earnings review, insider buying. This actually came out on the 29th here, which was yesterday. That makes sense. It's 1:45 in the morning. It's Saturday, so I'm a little confused on my time. Got a daughter that was keeping me up all night, so, gotta wait till she's to bed so I can get my studying in. Catching the Wonder of Investors is a nice little article 11 hours ago that came out. So there's definitely some news, and it kind of seems like there's almost like a little pump. I'm not sure, it's not newsletters and your normal pump, but it definitely seems like a nice little pump. We'll put insider buys, average cost 0.94. So I definitely want to, if I'm looking to get in and my target entry is 93, I definitely want to get in around 94. Because why would I not want to get in around the price that the insiders bought? Because when they dump, I want to dump. I don't want to be buying when they dump. So, another thing I noticed in my last video is I showed this 92 support. And if you look at the chart, see if I got a little bit of time here. I got about 2 or 3 minutes. Look at the chart. I got this support at 92. And when you look, you got the wicks coming through. It breaks and closes above it. Breaks and closes above it. You'd almost want to say at 90 cents, really, because right? I mean, you got here, breaks and doesn't. It touches it, but goes below. Opens up, but drops below. Doesn't close above it. And even here, it bounces. But because this is a 52-week high, if I go crack a year, this is 52-week high. So I broke it out to 2 years. And if you look back here at the 92 level in this little zone, I like to use where it tops out. Some people will I guess they call them shadows. I got called out for using them before. But a lot of times it'll sit on these and it'll play as the tops. And you can see and you can kind of judge where the tops will be. That's actually the 99-cent level. This is the 92 level. And you can see here, it comes down, closes right on it, touches it. And then here it closes on it, and then the next day it bounces below, above it, next day opens on it, closes below, touches it, closes below, goes past it, closes below, comes up to it, closes below. I just considered this 92 region its support level. I just wanted to go over that, so in case you guys are like, where did he get 92 cents of support? But, alright, I hope that gave you guys a little bit of help with, maybe looking through your own news. Of course, it's going to be different with every stock. Alright, subscribe if you like my videos. Check me out and watch me on Profithigh, and thank you for watching.